Welcome to the video number 4 of the Zapier video training series. In this short video, I just wanted to share with you that not only Zapier provides you 1,500 plus applications out of the box, but also provides you a lot of SAP templates. So let's say that you want to integrate with the Google Calendar application. You can select it, and Zapier is going to show you, in this case, around 400 Google Calendar apps, not only as the trigger application, but also as the action application. So you're going to be able to use these apps, to use Google as the trigger applications to generate the events. And also you're going to be able to use Google Calendar to process some input from another application. So, for example, you can create a new Trello card from a new Google Calendar event. You can generate a Google Calendar event from a new Google Sheets rows. You can create a Google Calendar event from new Trello cards. There are a bunch of them. You can create new Asana tasks from new Google Calendar events. So there are a lot of apps. You just click on use this app, you connect your accounts, and you are good to go. So that's all I wanted to share. Thank you, and please like and subscribe, and I see you on the next video. Bye.